great equalizer. I think it truly is democracy in its current form. I think that, one side or the other is trying to figure out what that means. But, the transparency means the consumer really has the power, and they're going to make the decisions based on the information they have, and they have a heck of a lot more. So anybody that's hiding behind the walls or hiding behind their own truth, like, they're exposed. Like, not telling your truth says a lot more than just sharing and being vulnerable and transparent and really embracing the idea of a personal brand. I think that those folks are eating it up right now, right? The people that are just being out there themselves, saying it like it is, and just letting people get attracted to whatever it is that they represent. But I think the industry as a whole has a lot to do. I think companies have it confused. I think there's a lot of technology, a lot of tools that are just being thrown into organizations that cost them a lot of money, that end up really going nowhere. And they're not used. Nobody knows how to execute on those. And the ones who do, again, are the ones who are gaining market share, no matter what's happening. And one of the things that's often lost is the fact that you can pick up the phone and call people. Like, if you have a database of 1,000 clients that you've worked with, if you have a database of a couple hundred partners that you've worked with, pick up the phone, talk to them, meet them out, see what you can do to serve them. Don't be talking about business all the time. That's where pros are winning. So they're understanding the branding. They don't quite know what it is. They don't know what the ROI is all the time. They know the exposure is there because it's easier for them to get relationships, but the pros are still doing it the way that it's always been done. They get out to open houses. They get outside their comfort zone. They shake hands. They meet new people. They still sit down with them. And I know the whole meet for coffee is sort of old school, but maybe it doesn't have to be coffee, but people still like that face-to-face along with the technology. That's where you win. It's not just technology on its own, but you got to go back to the way that it's always been done. That's where I see it. The pros are winning right now.